So it was suggested that I put a video clip of the engine running so that you could actually hear the sound decoder. So here we go. You can see that it's on, wheels, so that it won't be moving back and forth, so I won't have to run the camera at the same time. It's stationary, that's the word. Another thing before I start making noises happen here is that I have this set the equalization or the equalizer on the decoder. So these are not the factory settings. If you go to Soundtraxx.com, they have a video on how to set the equalizers on the Tsunami decoders. And highly recommend you go and do that. It makes an enormous difference in my opinion. So let's give it a little throttle and see how it sounds. Here we go. There's a fair amount of hissing noise from the wheels. I also have the decoder set so that when I turn the horn on, it automatically turns on the bell. That's an easy CV setting. Okay. Hopefully you like the sound of it. Hopefully you like this quick video. Bye for now. Have fun with your model rating out there. Okay, and just for those who were curious, here's how two of them sound. Consistent. By the way, that backboard is right next to the engines, and the camera is about a foot away from them.